Oh, YouTube, it looks like it's official. The microwave from hell took a major shit. Last night I was trying to cook up one of them damn dogs, the Bar S brand from Walmart. I even bought me some fucking hot dog buns and some hot dog chili sauce to go with it. And I slapped one of these damn wieners in there for about a minute. And I tried to open up the damn door, and the door is stuck. I've tried probably for about an hour now to try to get that damn thing open, and it ain't budging. And it's not unlocked either. So, I'm not sure what the hell the story is. I just know that now I'm gonna have to fucking get another microwave. Son of a bitch.